BORO National Students Union, along with All BORO Senior Citizens Forum, BORO Writers Academy, Ex-Volunteers Force, and Bodoland Jonajati Suraksha Mancha. Today, together, and as a together with the public, we are submitting a memorandum to the Prime Minister of India, President of India, and ST Commission of India, and to the Governor of India, regarding our recent areas of our social activist Daorao Dekreb Narzary, and our General Secretary Bikram Demari of Contractor Association, and ex-MLA Hitesh Bosamatari. Because through this memorandum, we are submitting to the ST Commission of India for this ST Atrocities Act committed towards the indigenous tribal BORO people. And this has been, as per the information instigated by the Assam government, by the Chief Minister of Assam, and this is implemented by the Assam Police. And we have seen by arresting aged person, social activities who doesn't have any what you call any anti-social activities, and this is a showing of humiliating towards the Daorao Dekreb Narzary, Bikram Demari, Hitesh Bosamatari, and towards the indigenous BORO people. It is humiliating, and we are asking, where is the law? Where is the equality of law? We have, as the indigenous people, as per the Constitution of India, we have every right to voice for our rights. This is our constitutional provision provided by the government of India. And now Assam Police, without any warrant, without any information, they are arresting this aged person in the house. This is illegal. This is illegal, and this is not accepted by the indigenous tribal people of Assam. Since independence, we appeal to the Assam government. They are suppressing and oppressing us, the indigenous people. It is more than 75 years. They have been exploiting us, humiliating, torturing.
As per
the information from the family, we have information regarding this. It is a stage. The arms has been put by the police department. They are innocent. This public representative, he has been elected as a MLA in Assam. He is also ex-GM of BTC. If he is in such kind of anti-social activities, why he was not investigated during his period of as a public servant? So through this memorandum, we want justice to our social activists who has been working for the indigenous right. Daorao Dekreb Narzary, he has been committed to his life. He is voicing, and now we have seen this is totally a diversion, diverting the very concept of this delimitation. Is going to, they are going to de-reserve the ST seat. He has been voicing for that, and he is fighting for the indigenous tribal land rights. Now this is totally a plan and stage program done by the state government.
We demand immediate release.
And through this memorandum, through the ST Commission, and to the Prime Minister, President of India, and the Governor of Assam, and the Chief Minister, we want immediate release of these three arrested persons. Because by arresting them, the innocent person, they have been violating the human rights, violating the rights that has been given to us. And totally we condemn this incident. And we, the Bonsho and the indigenous BORO people as a whole, will take a strong action. And those officers in charge from the Assam Police Department, they have to be investigated by the judicial inquiry.
Okay.
And the law should take the strict action. The culprit should be booked to law. Whether under the Assam Police, whether some politicians might be involved there, or some anti-social activities, but they should all be arrested as per the SC Atrocities Act.
Thank you.